Asia PE Updates from APER, 19th August 2026. Australia. EQT engages in Rugby League campaign. EQT Private Capital Asia has agreed to acquire a majority stake in Melbourne Storm for an undisclosed amount. According to earlier market reports, the deal values Melbourne Storm at around 150 million Australian dollars. The capital for this transaction shall come from EQT Asia's mid-market opportunity strategy. Founded in 1998, Melbourne Storm is a rugby league team playing in the National Rugby League. The deal is subject to approval from the Australian Rugby League Commission. This follows EQT AB's earlier announcement of being a private market partner of ATP, the governing body of men's professional tennis worldwide. China. Trustar acquires Alibaba's Lingxi Games. Trustar Capital has agreed to acquire Lingxi Games, Alibaba Group Holding Limited's game development and publishing business, according to Reuters, citing an internal memo from Lingxi Games. The transaction size was not disclosed, but is estimated at between $1.5 billion and $2 billion. Lingxi Games' flagship mobile strategy game, Three Kingdoms Strategy Edition, has attracted more than 100 million users globally. China's mobile games are attracting keen attention from investors. Earlier, Savvy Games Group, owned by Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, acquired Shanghai Moonton Technology Co. Limited from ByteDance, reportedly at more than $6 billion.
India. KKR books tickets for live entertainment in India. KKR & Co. Inc. has agreed to acquire a minority stake in Book My Show for an undisclosed amount. A live entertainment company, Book My Show is operated by Big Tree Entertainment Pvt. Limited. It enlisted TPG Growth as an investor in 2018. South Korea. CVC in K-beauty firm Silicon2. CVC Capital Partners has agreed to invest 300 billion won in KOSDAC-listed Silicon2 Co. Limited via redeemable convertible shares. The RCSs are convertible into a 9.2% stake in Silicon2 1 year after completion at 45,000 won per share, a 5% premium to the closing price on the day prior to the announcement of this investment. Founded in 2002, Silicon2 is a cosmetics products distributor through the StyleKorean.com platform, while Moida is its retail chain. Pan-Asia. Kembangan Capital raises US $725 million for fund of funds. Singapore-based Kembangan Capital Partners has raised US $725 million in aggregate as the initial closings of its latest fund. According to market sources, the capital pool, anchored by a sovereign wealth fund, will allocate US $500 million for fund of funds investments, with the balance for direct or co-investment opportunities. Founded by Mr. Ko Wai Kit, former executive from Temasek Holdings Private Limited and Pavilion Capital Holdings Private Limited, Kembangan's latest fund will seek both venture capital and private equity opportunities across the region.
Log in to asiape.com for more. Click the subscribe button to receive Asia PE Update.